One question is like this. On the top face of the wooden cube of side 7 centimeter, hemispherical depressions of radius 0.35 centimeter are to be formed by taking out the wood. The maximum number of depressions that can be formed is, okay, so this is your wooden cube and its side is 7 centimeter, okay, and from this top surface you have to take out the hemispherical depression of radius 0.35 centimeter. Only use the top surface, okay. Means you can imagine like this. There is a, this is your top surface, okay, and from here you have to take out the hemispherical shape or depression out of that, like this, okay. You have to take out. Now how many possibilities are there for this? Now its radius is 0.35 centimeter, okay, 0.35 centimeter radius of the hemispherical cutouts, okay. Now you know if radius is 0.3 centimeter, so what will be the diameter? Diameter of the hemisphere will be what? Double of meter will be 0.35 into 2, that is 0.70 centimeter, okay. So how will you find? On one line of 7 centimeter, suppose this is the line for the cube, side of the cube, so on this line, for how many cutouts can be possible of this diameter? So how will you find? Number of hemisphere on side 7 centimeter can be taken out like 7 centimeter upon 0.70 centimeter. So this will give you 7 into 100 upon 70. So 7, 10 jar, 10 numbers hemisphere on this line. So similarly on this line also, in this, okay, this is lengthwise, this is breadthwise. So here we will get 10 cutouts of hemispherical wooden block, and here also you will get 10 cutouts of hemispherical cutouts. So total number of wooden cutouts in hemisphere will be 10 into 10, okay. So here 10 and here 10, so 10 into 10 is 100. So this will be the solution. Here you don't have to divide the volume and area, okay, you have to think like this. Now come to the 12th question, very easy question. Cumulative frequency for calculating median is obtained by adding the frequencies of all the, you know, by definition, classes preceding the median class, okay. So this is the option. If mean and median of given set of observation are 10 and 11, then mode. The empirical formula, you know, mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 median is 11 minus 2 into 10, so 33 minus 20, 13. So this is the option. Now come to this. In the adjoining figure, AB is the chord of the larger circle, okay, touching the smaller circle. This chord touching the smaller circle. The center of both the circle is O, AB is 2r and OP is r. So find the radius of the larger circle. Means this you have to find out. Okay. Now you know, as this is radius, this is tangent, so this will be 90 degree. This is r. AP, AB is 2r. Therefore, AP will be r. So AP is r. Now by Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. AP square. So OP square is how much? R square plus R square, that is 2R square. So OA will be root 2 R. All you know that OP is perpendicular. How OP is perpendicular, that you know. OP is perpendicular to AB. Why? Radius is perpendicular to tangent. So by all this, and this is by Pythagoras. So one more question, you don't have to write all these things, but you have to keep in mind. Okay, by Pythagoras, this one. So root 2r is the answer. Okay, come to the 15th question. A parallelogram having one of its side 5 cm circumscribe a circle. The perimeter of the parallelogram is, means parallelogram circumscribing, that I have explained you in my video, that what is the case like this. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, okay, now suppose this is a parallelogram, okay, and it is circumscribing a circle, okay, in this way. So you have to find out the perimeter of this parallelogram, and one of its side is 5 centimeter. Now you know that any parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. This I have proved in previous video. Okay, and that statement have to be directly used, and in rhombus all sides are equal. Okay, in rhombus all sides are equal. Okay, this is A. So perimeter will be what now? Perimeter will be 4 into 5, because all sides are equal now. This is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, so 20 centimeter. So that will be the value. Perimeter of parallelogram is 20 centimeter. Okay, thank you.